Okay, so we're going to do 5.6, factoring a general strategy. So we will mix and match the problem, and you would be able to tell, oh, I'm using this AC method, I'm using the trial and error, I'm doing using the perfect square trinomial, things like that. So it will be mixed and matched here, okay? So let's start. Share desktop. Okay, so let's start. Yes. So 5.6, which is factoring a general strategy. General strategy. So factoring a general strategy. All right. So what is the general strategy for factoring? What do you think? What do you always do? What do you always do? When you factor, what do you always do first? What this? Yes. So always first factor out the GCS, right? If it exists. That's what we always do. Yeah. The second one is what happens if you have a binomial. So if we have a binomial, then we have three formulas, right? So suppose I have a squared minus b squared. How do I factor out a squared minus b squared? Any idea? Yes, a plus b times a minus b. Good. What about if I have a squared plus b squared? No, this is not factorable. Yeah. Why not? So, if I have a plus b times a plus b, like you said, what would this be? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this is what it is. Yeah. So we will not have a squared plus b squared. It's not factorable. Actually, it's a complex number. And then we also have a cubed plus b cubed. What is a cubed plus b cubed? A plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And we also have a cubed minus b cubed. And you remember the formula, don't you? Yes, it is a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Good. That is binomial. Yeah. So 3, what happens if we have a trinomial? All right. So you're going to check if it is a perfect square trinomial. So check if it is a perfect square trinomial. Okay. How do I check it? Well, if you have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, this is a perfect square trinomial. Or, all right. So what we see is that this is a perfect square. So you have to check if it is a perfect square. And this last one is a perfect square. And then this middle term here is 2 times AB. So you got to check this middle term. Yeah, so 3 things to check. The first one is a perfect square. The last one is a perfect square, and the middle term is twice AB. And same thing with the minus. So this is true for the minus also. A squared minus 2AB plus B squared, which is equal to A minus B squared. All right. Good. So what about if you have if you have ax squared plus bx plus c, and then a is not equal to 1 or a is not equal to -1, what happens? What method do we use? Do you remember this method? What do we use? Yes, so we use the AC method. That's the easiest one, right? Okay. And then 4, always factor out completely. And then 5, we could check by multiplying. So check by multiplying. Alright. Yeah, so you could always check by multiplying. So you have to choose the right method. Yeah. Okay, so let's see which one we should do. Alright. So let's do a few when you are ready. Oh, what about if it is it has 4 terms? Sorry, I forgot here. This is supposed to be number 4. If 4 terms, what happens? We use what? We use grouping, right? Yeah, use grouping. So I just added this one. I totally forgot. Sorry. And then this is number 5, and this is number 6. So you could check by multiplying, yeah? So should we try now? Okay, so let's try. Yeah. So if 4 terms, we use grouping. I forgot that. So it's trinomial, 4 terms. Okay, so for example, factor completely. Okay, number 1, 5a squared minus 125. Number 2, x cubed minus 5x squared minus 25x plus 125. So number 3, y squared plus 49 minus 14y. Number 4, 6y squared plus 18y minus 240. Number 5, let's see. Number 5, yeah, they don't have the one with the AC method. Yeah, make one up, yeah. Let me do a little bit later. Yeah. 3t squared plus 16t plus 21. And then number 6. 8t squared plus 31t minus 4. Okay, do you want to try it? So number 1, what would you do first? Yes, which is? Okay, good. So let me wait. So factoring is really, really important. Yeah, this is like substitution and elimination method. So you need to be able to do factoring. Yeah. So factoring and elimination, substitution, that is what. By the way, I calculated your average. So later on after class you can see. The last day to drop with a W is when? Sunday. Yeah. So to pass, what is the percentage? 65. So if your scores is low 50s, probably it's harder. Yeah. So you might, if you don't pass, then it's probably going to be D or F, right? Yeah. Okay, so can you guys work on this, please? So where is the comment go? Can you back up? Can you back up 8 squared minus 25? Okay, so how do you factor out 8 squared minus 25? No. Which is? 8 squared minus 25. What is 8 squared minus 25? I should give you a quiz tomorrow. Yeah? No. 8 plus 5, 8 minus 5, right? So tomorrow we will have a quiz on factoring. So this is important. I will give you a lot of quiz. Well, then you should do it first. Yeah. Yeah, well, that's what we're doing. We're practicing, haven't we? Yeah. So when you've been practicing, is it I am doing it or you doing it? So if it's you're doing it, right? That's what we're doing. Okay, this is four times. What do you do? Okay, so start with the group. Yes, group the first one first and group the last one. So factoring, you could be really good at. How much is it? You need to do it? Why? You didn't do homework? Oh, the whole 6 sections or the whole 5 sections? This is in the beginning. This is grouping in 5.1. We haven't used it because Dr. K talked about it. I didn't talk about it. Okay, then skip. Go to number 3. Dr. K did it? The grouping did it?
Well, I don't know the name of it, but creates the grouping is talking about it.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, but she didn't.
I went over, well, we went over this. This is 5.4. This is 5.5. This is yesterday. Okay. Yeah. Okay, are you guys done? Okay, I'll wait for you 2 more minutes, okay? And then we will discuss it. So if you can't do number 2, do number 3. If you cannot, do number 4. If you cannot, do number 5. Well, I mean, there's something you have to be able to do, right? $9.35. Okay. Should we discuss it now? Not yet? Okay. Number 5, you have to do AC, right? No, I don't. But I could calculate it. 63 and 16. What is 63 and 16? Yeah. Divided by 3. So, yeah. Yeah. P plus 3, not P squared plus 3. 3T times T, right? When you set up, it's 3T and T. Yeah. Okay, so let's do it now. So number 1, what do we do? Factor out the 5, left with a squared minus 25. Can I factor out a squared minus 25? Yes. What is it? What is it? A plus 5 times a minus 5. Yes, done. This is a binomial. Yes, you do. Because otherwise you're changing the problem, right? Yes, you do. You have to put the 5 in the front. Now, number 2, this is grouping. So let me tell you what section this is. This is section 5.4. This is section 5.1. Okay, so the grouping problem is section 5.1. So when we group, we usually group the first 2 and we will group the last 2. So the first 2 is x cubed minus 5x squared, and this sign here is really important. When I take out the negative, what am I left with? Yes, 25x and then minus 125. So this is how we group. So we group the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. And remember, if this is negative, make sure to group it correctly. Yeah. Now, can we factor out something here? X squared, and we're left with x minus 5. Okay, what about here? Can we factor out something here? 25, and we're left with x minus 5. Yes. Are we okay so far? Do I have common terms? Which ones are my common terms? X minus 5? Okay. So then I will have x minus 5 factored out, and we're left with x squared minus 25. Yes. Are we done? No. So this is x minus 5. Can we factor out x squared minus 25? Yeah. What is x squared minus 25? X plus 5 times x minus 5. Now, can we combine this x minus 5? Yeah. So what will this be? X minus 5 squared times x plus 5. Yes. Finish. So what? How did you guys do it? Is this okay? So we should do more? Yeah.
So we can do like that, where x minus 5 and x squared minus 5?
No, because it's not totally factored. It's not factored completely. You have to completely factor it. Yes? Okay, so number 3, what would you do with number 3? You have to arrange it first, right? Yes. The x minus 5, x plus 5, x minus 5? No, you should write it as a square. Yeah. So this is y squared minus 14y plus 49. Yeah. So actually, you know, this is a perfect square trinomial, isn't it? Yeah. Or you could just factor. This is easy, right? So how do we factor this? Product is equal to, what is the product equal to? 49. The sum is equal to negative 14. This is from 5.2. Yeah, this is from section 5.2. Right. So what are the two numbers? Negative, what is it? Negative 7, negative 7? Yeah. So did everybody get negative 7, negative 7? Okay, so let's write negative 7, negative 7. What will this be? Y minus 7 squared. Yes. Okay. Good. Now, number 4. What should we do with number 4? Factor out the greatest common factor, which is 6. So 6 times y squared plus 3y plus minus 40. Okay. So we need to find two numbers. The product must equal to negative 40. The sum must equal to 3. Okay, so 40 is what? 1 times 40, does it work? No. 2 and 20? No. 8 and 5? Yes. So let's see. 8 and 5. Which one is positive? Which one's negative? The 8 is positive. The 5 is negative. So if we multiply, this is negative 40. If we add, this is 3. So y plus 8 and y minus 5. It doesn't matter. The order doesn't matter. Oh, okay. Descending order? Okay. So what do you mean descending order? If it is
my answer was 6, y minus 5, and y plus 8, and you put that matrix as well.
Oh, so it. Okay, the plus first and then the minus. Okay. Does it tell you though?
Yeah.
It tells you, doesn't it? Yeah. Oh, it doesn't tell you until you get it wrong? Oh, okay. Oh, so when you get it wrong, then it tells you, oh, put it in descending order. Oh, but if you don't, if They don't tell you in the beginning that. Oh, okay. Huh. All right, but you guys found out after you made it wrong. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Unfortunate. Well, Math Excel is stupid, right? It doesn't think. It cannot think. Humans are more brilliant, not Math Excel. All right. So anyway, what would I do here? What method do we use? The AC? Okay, so the AC method, so let's set it up. 3p divided by 3, yes. 3p divided by 3. So product should equal to AC, which is 63. Sum has to equal to 16. So what is that? 9 and 7? Plus 9 plus 7. Okay. What happens to the 3? You split it up into 3 and 1. Yes. So 3p plus 9 divided by 3. p plus 3. 3p plus 7. All right. What did you say? That's wrong? Oh, in Math Excel you have to flip it over. Oh, okay. No, it's actually correct. Yeah, I don't know why in Math Excel they have to flip it over. So the plus 7 has to be bigger? The bigger one has to come first? Okay. All right. I'm sorry. I didn't know. This is the first time somebody told me. Yeah. Now, what about number 6? 8p squared plus 31p minus 4. So AC method? Okay, so 8p divided by 8. Yes, good. So we need two numbers such that their product is equal to what? Negative 32. Yes, the sum is equal to 31. So what are the two numbers? 32 and 1? Negative 1. Yes. Plus 32 minus 1. Okay, what do I do with my 8? You split it up into 8 times 1. So 8p plus 32 divided by 8. p plus 4, and the other one is 8p minus 1. All right. So easy? So we should do more, right? Okay. So we will just do lots and lots of and lots today. Yeah. So continue. Oh, I'm waiting for questions. Are we okay so far? Still after Thanksgiving. So I think Tuesday after Thanksgiving. Because you guys want it on Wednesday? Next week? After Thanksgiving, you will all get A's? After eating turkey? Yeah. Because this is 5.6, there's 5.7, 5.8. I'm doing 5.6 today, 5.7. You're probably not going to be done tomorrow. No, let me see what sections first, okay? Hold on. So let's see. Yes, there is 5.6, 5.7, 5.8. No, you're not going to be done. You cannot have it before Thanksgiving, no. Yeah, no. Yes, so no. No, it has to be after Thanksgiving, yeah. Okay, so let's do a lot more. Oh, what did I do? What did I just do? Undo. Yes. Yes. What happened? Finish? So this one is section, okay guys, number 5 and 6 are from, this is 5.2, right? And this is 5.3. This is also 5.3, yeah? All right. So next one, what number? 7? so 7. What about factoring x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 12? And what about if I have, I'm just going to throw in a bunch of these, 98p squared minus 18. What about if we have 20x cubed minus 4x squared minus 72x? And then number 10, what if we have negative x to the 5th minus 14x to the 4th minus 49x cubed? And what if we have, or some of them are prime, right? So some of them are not factorable. So number 11, what about if I have 4n squared plus 81? And then number 12 is 80 cubed plus 1. Okay, so why don't we stop here first? And then, do you guys want to try it first? Yeah, okay. So number 7, what method do you think you will use? Grouping, yes. What about number 8? This is a binomial, so you factor out the greatest common factor first, right? Okay. So let me try it. Why don't you try? So this is all about you now. Okay, 2 more minutes. Oh, no, not enough time. You guys done? Okay. Yes. Yes, I think so. Math 125, right? Yeah. I always teach 115 and 125. Oh, next semester is what? Winter?
No, I mean like.
Spring, yeah. Winter I'm not teaching here. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Jim. And the schedule is showing.
I know, but I'm not teaching it. Yeah. Adam Zeng? Yeah. Yes, I do. I know him personally, but I don't know him in class, how he teaches. So I don't know. Yeah. I don't think so. Yeah. Is he teaching the... Oh, okay. I think I'm the only one using Math Excel. Kotlia doesn't? Oh, Panchal does too? Oh, okay. Does she teach FYE?
No.
No, she doesn't teach FYE. Okay. Are you guys done? You want to discuss it now? Okay, so let's do it now because otherwise the time is almost up. Yeah, I'd like to do a few more. So what do you do with number 7? Group them. Yes. So which one is the most important side? This one right here. So be careful when you group the second part. So let's just group it. X cubed minus 3x squared. What about these? Minus what? 4x minus 12, right? Now, do I have any common factor between x cubed and 3x squared? X squared times x minus 3. Okay. Do I have common factor between 4x minus 12? 4. So take out the 4, left with x minus 3. Yes. So do I have any common factor between these two terms? X minus 3, left with x squared minus 4. So can I still factor out x squared minus 4? Yeah, what is it? X minus 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. Yes. Finish. All right. Now, number 8. Do we have any common factor? 2. And we're left with 49p squared minus 9. Okay. Is it 9? Yes. So can I still factor out 49p squared minus 9? Is 49p squared a perfect square? Yeah, it comes from what? 7p? How about the 9? 3. So how do I factor this? 7p plus 3 and 7p minus 3. Yeah. What did you do here? No, it's okay? Yeah. All right, so for number 9, do I have a common factor? For x, yes. So if I factor out for x, what do I have? 5x squared minus x minus 18. Yes. All right. Now, what method are we going to use to factor 5x squared minus x minus 18? AC? So then we will have 5x divided by 5. Yes. And the product should equal to negative 40. And the sum, no, not negative 40, negative 90. Yes. Good. What about the sum? Negative 1. So what are the two numbers? 10 times 9. Which one's positive? Which one's negative? Negative 10 of 9. So this is plus 9 minus 10, right? Okay. What am I going to do with my 5? We split it up. So 1 times 5. So let's see here. What is this? 4x times 5x plus 9 times x minus 2. Yes. All right. Are we okay so far? Yes. How do I get, oh, it's AC. Remember, this is the AC method. This is your A, and this is your C. So it's A times C. Yeah, that's the method. Yeah. So the product must equal to AC. All right. How about number 10? Are you feeling good with factoring or no? Pretty good? Okay. For number 10, what should we factor first? Negative x cubed, and we're left with x squared plus 14x plus 49. All right. Good. So we have negative x cubed. How do I factor out negative x squared plus 14x plus 49? AC? No, we don't need AC here. Yes. So this is x product is equal to 49. This is actually a perfect square trinomial. You see, this is the, yeah. So 49, and the sum has to equal to 14. So what are the two numbers? 7 and 7, yes. Plus 7 plus 7. So this is negative x cubed times x plus 7 squared. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay, so what about number 11? It's not factorable? Yes, it's not factorable. Why not? Yeah, it's the sum of two squares. It's not factorable. How do I make it factorable? Put negative here, right? Okay, good. Now, number 12, AP cubed plus 1. You guys remember this? Yeah, what is it? So what formula do we use? Yes, so A cubed plus B cubed, which is equal to A plus B, A squared minus AB plus B squared. Yes. So what is my A here? AP. No, not AP. What is it? 2P. Yes. What is my B here? 1. All right. So A cubed plus B cubed is, so AP cubed plus 1 is AB. A plus B is 2P plus 1. And then 4P squared minus what? 2P plus Easy? Okay, so do 3 more. AB. Which one are you talking about? Number 12?
Yeah.
A times C. 2t times 1. Yeah? 2t times 1? Right? It's negative because of the formula. Yes. Yeah. Because this is negative, then this is negative. Yeah? Should we do 2, 3 more?
2 more.
Yeah. 2 more? Okay, so you think you will be ready tomorrow?
Oh, we have to go.
Yes, we will take a quiz tomorrow. You gotta do your homework, right? Okay, so what about this? This is grouping 2. Number 13. 2x squared minus 4x plus xz minus 2z. Okay, guys, 2 more. Number 14. 3x squared plus 13xy minus 10y squared. Yes, that is xz and 2z, minus 2z. Alright, so how do we do this? You have to group them. The first 2 and the last 2. Okay, so 2x squared minus 4x plus, okay, so xz minus 2z. Okay, good. Do I have a common factor here? What is it? 2x times x minus 2. Yes. Do I have a common factor here? Z. Z times x minus 2. All right. Now, do I have a common factor here? Which is what? X minus 2 times 2x minus z. 2x plus z. Yeah? 2x plus z. All right. Last one. What about if I have 3x squared plus 13xy minus 10y squared? What method? AC, yes. How do you set it up? 3x divided by 3. But apparently I have a y. So 3x and y on the back. So a product should equal to negative 30. And the sum should equal to 13. So what are the 2 numbers? 10 and 3, both positive? Is it true? Is it 10 and 3 too? Yeah, so what was the other one? 15 and 2, yes. So what about the sign? Yes. So plus 15 and then minus 2y. What do we do with the 3? We split it up so that this is 3 times 1. So 3x plus 15y divided by 3, what is that? X plus 5y. And then 3x minus 2y divided by 1, that is 3x minus 2y. All right. Yay? Okay. So we have a quiz tomorrow. Quiz on factoring tomorrow. Yeah. I think I'm going to give you 5 problems. Oh yeah, we have it. I have it. Yes. So if you want to see it, if you can make a line here, I'll show you really quick. So anyway, see you tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so we're done with 5.6, which is factoring a general strategy. Tomorrow we will start 5.7. All right, see you later.